about to give them what they want. I don't think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode. Oh, time to eat, guys. What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pub Chasers. Guys, it's time to go ahead and pull the camera out and get some lunch and get some groceries. Just wanted to hang out with you guys, tap in with you guys. Let's get it. All right, fam, we're having a little lunch at Logan's Roadhouse. All right, fam, so you already know a little unsweet tea with some sweetness, man. All right. And I got my water on deck, guys. And I will get that hydration. What time is it right now? So guys, it's about to be 3 o'clock. This is my first meal. As you may or may not know, I've been playing around with a thing called flexible fasting. Very similar to intermittent fasting, except for I'm very flexible. Some days I might have a 20-hour fast, 16-hour fast. Some days I don't fast at all. I just wake up and go have some breakfast somewhere, you know? That's why it's called flexible fasting. But there are so many benefits to fasting, guys, that I'm not gonna get into right now. Not only has it been a game changer to me, it's opened my eyes to a lot of things, and it has enhanced the quality of my life. It took a lot of stress. It takes a lot of stress out of your life when you ain't got to stress about getting your next meal in 3 hours, you know, getting your next meal in 2 hours, or you got to catch a flight and worry about packing a meal. You literally have more flexibility, very similar to what If Fish and Macros did for the community, you know, back in the day when we had Eating Clean. And right now we have more flexibility as long as you hit your macros. Same shit. Flexible eating windows is the new wave for me. All right, for Denise, what you got, girl?
I got a 6-ounce sirloin,
okay,
with double steamed broccoli.
You ain't playing okay. I'm trying to get 2-piece ready. What you doing over here?
No, okay. I'm trying to get rid of these grandma arms.
All right, guys, check it out. It's my first meal, and I'm eating big. Shout out to Serge New Braid. He opened my eyes, and he paved the way, you hear me? So check it. Got a 12-ounce New York strip, 2 chicken breasts with a little sauce. You know I'm already lean. I'm gonna let the sauce slide. Usually don't let this shit slide. And a little bit of rice, guys. Onion and mushroom. As you see, keeping it simple, keeping it already. All right, guys. A little rain ain't gonna stop nothing. We just gotta protect that hair. All right, we're getting some ranches. Check this out, guys. This dressings be going hard on the salads, and they're macro friendly. Over here, making a mess.
My bad.
Like Chick-fil-A got a salad.
I'm gonna get this.
Dressing.
Brookie loves this.
All right, guys. Get some lean meat. This right here is 98% fat free. I ain't gonna lie, it's probably gonna be hard to find shit like this. I have a lot of overseas clients, and y'all comment below me from the UK or some shit. Apparently it's hard to find super lean meats in other countries. Let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, out here, 98% fat free, man. Game changer for me. All right. Now today is what, Tuesday?
Yeah.
Denise already was putting things together for Sunday's cheat day, man. To get us some cookie butter. Or some butter to make cookies with. Yeah. Chef Denise on the job.
This one has 82 milk fat.
Fam, as you see, we got a lot of stuff, man. We got a little stuff of Brooke, guys, too. Check it out. We left the grocery store, and Denise meal prep came in, okay? Yep. What is it called? Frittatas?
Frittatas.
Okay, as you see, she got some meals and stuff up in here, guys. People ask me all the time, what do I think about meal prep companies? I think they're cool, especially if you're a busy person on the go that don't want to cook. You obviously save a little more money to cook your own meals, but sometimes you want to spend the money for the convenience.
Yeah.
I believe if you can spend money to save time and get convenience, you're getting your money's worth. Keep in mind, I work from home, guys. I'm training clients, and my meals be like 80 grams of protein or more. So since my meals are so high in protein, I'd rather just put a pound of beef on the skillet and just have my meals at home cooked.
Yeah.
But let's say I'm a busy person on the go, if I'm training clients at the gym, if I'm traveling, that'll be a perfect time for me to do the meal preps.
And so the meal prep is good for me because me being a mom and in real estate, that's the first thing I do. Get up, go take Brooke to daycare, go to the gym, work on some clients, and then, you know, I finally come home. Now, see, Chris cooks his own meals.
I like it that way.
And he
Believe
likes
it or
it
not,
that
guys, I prefer to just
I know, I used to cook them,
Yeah.
but now he's...
Or Denise cooking. Other than that, I like my meals at home.
Yeah, but he likes his meals at home. Dallas prep is easy for me because I can put it in my lunch and just get up and go. It's easy. I can, you know, put it in the microwave, go stop by a gas station, put it in the microwave, and eat it on the go.
So yeah, say I don't have anything against meal prep companies. It just comes to your situation. Be honest with yourself. You know, if it makes more sense to do meal prep, do that shit. If you like to, you work from home, or if you just want home cooked meals or to pack your own meals you cooked, do that. Do what makes sense. But number one, we don't make no damn flies. We don't make no fucking excuses. That's number one. I don't give a fuck if you do meal preps or you eat at home. I want to see you hoe ready. And if you ain't hoe ready, you doing something wrong. Point blank fucking period. If your goal is to get lean, guys, or bulk or whatever your goals is, you just want to be a sumo wrestler and get fat as hell. You still gotta have a nutrition plan that follows that. Whatever your body composition goals are, make sure your diet reflects that and the results will come. So anyway, guys, I put our groceries away. Just want to tap in with you guys for a minute. Go to tigerfitness.com, get Pump Chaser subs, online macro-based coaching at beastmode316.com, pumpchasers.com for the wrist wraps, lifting belts, all that stuff. And if you need a bodybuilding crash course, go to beastmodebootcamp.org. Let me tell you, that website is going to be great because we're going to add more videos to that site. We're going to add metaphysics. We're going to add more training footage on that site eventually. So if you really want to invest in a nice bodybuilding crash course, go to beastmodebootcamp.org. Well, anyway, guys, much love. Thank you for your support. All right, don't forget to like my shit, comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy. We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.